compared to the healthy group.
Okay, you know what the next question is.
Yes, why? Well, we have some hypotheses as to why.
And, I know you want me to try them out, but I'm not going to. Priti Patel, the Home Secretary, saying that there will be more money spent on police with tasers. Should every single police officer carry a taser all the time?
Hold on.
New Street Station.
That he'd made a comment that had been made to her, and that she felt that he was
more, but you know what I'm saying. Status Quo, Clean Bandit, Emily Sandy, Kelsey Ballerini, Simply Red, Bananarama.
Had gone through, so they've charged him.
Yeah.
But we had no evidence.
What the hell's he doing?
He's changing direction completely.
Professional driver.
From cheap eating houses, where one slapped one's money down as the food was banged on the table. What do you mean, Dickensian times? That's the kind of place I eat.
Every instance of conflict-related violence in Afghanistan for the whole month of August.
Here's our phone number if you want to talk to us about the O2 outage and what affected you yesterday if you're on that system. Also, the missing backpacker in New Zealand. Raids on cash machines.